about what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way. My mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are.
Not even if I tried, 'cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be your.
So Blakey and I are gonna make these pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. What do you think, Bee? Does that sound good? Because we have leftover pumpkin in the fridge here that, look at all this stuff, that we really need to eat up. So, I need to organize my fridge too.
Oh.
We gotta use all this pumpkin up, don't we? Oh dear. Where did that one go? There we go. Let's make this one, baby.
See how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Oh.
Best part of baking is getting to have a couple of chocolate chips in your bowl. Right, Bee? Honey, I just thought,
A wafer?
yeah, we gotta use that one too. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, all pumpkin pie spice is some cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and what Blakey has. To show everybody what you have, turn it around, which is allspice. So you can just add these together and that's your pumpkin pie spice. For our dry ingredients in here, I will link the recipe down below. Blake mixed all the wet ingredients. And just to add a little bit more yumminess, we're gonna cut up these little Mr. Big, so you can use any Halloween candy you have lying around, and we're gonna add it to the muffins. What do you think, Bee?
That is one, Mama.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
And this is the aftermath of lunch in our house and of muffin making. But seriously guys, these turned out so good. If you want a milder, like less spicy version, then I think the pumpkin pie spice would be a bit softer. But I love how it turned out with the cloves and the allspice and the cinnamon and the nutmeg as well. They're so, so delicious. So I will leave the recipe link down below.
La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain guiding my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
So now the kiddos are in bed, they don't always nap at the same time, but when they do, that's when I take the opportunity to either edit a video, pay some bills, catch up on business emails, basically just do like work on my computer. So I'm really thankful that they got down at the same time. Again, it doesn't happen every day. It depends on how long Olivia's first nap is, when she goes down, how late they sleep in the morning, or how early they wake up. But most of the time, I'd say 70% of the time, I can get them down at the same time for a nap, which is awesome and allows me to get so much stuff done. So I just switched a load of laundry. So I've got these clothes that I have to fold, and I have a load in the dryer and a fresh load I just put in the wash. And then when the girls wake up, I'm going to vacuum the upstairs and change the sheets on my bed, change the sheets on Olivia's bed because I haven't washed hers yet, but I just did Blake's, and then we will get some supper going. So right now, gotta get some work done. So I just heard Olivia, and I think I heard Blake too. So it is 2:53, so just before they get up, I'm just gonna quickly write out our meal plans for the week. So I just go under Pinterest and look up like good dinner ideas, because I'm always looking for a good dinner recipe. So if you guys want to leave your favorite dinner recipes down below, or the link to them, that would be super appreciated. I'd love to see what you guys make for your family and what your family favorites are. But this one looked really good, this mashed potato casserole with crispy chicken. So I think I'll make this in an upcoming vlog. But I'm just gonna write all the meals out for this week on here, and then this is my corresponding grocery list. It's very messy because I literally write things as I go, so ignore that, but I'm just gonna organize this right now so that I know what I have to buy and what we're having for the week.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
We have moved outside now because Daddy's home. And Daddy and Uncle Sean are gonna build a little shed over here to protect all of the crap, Colin's things and the girls' things as well. And Sissy's over here, and I'm gonna rake some more leaves because 7 o'clock and I just got the girls to bed. Colin and his brother are still outside working on the shed, so I'll show you guys the progress of that tomorrow, but I'm gonna relax now. It was a very long day. I actually do have to clean up some of the toys in the living room, so I'm just gonna pick this up a little bit and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.